Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So have you gone online and you're really just frustrated? You're trying to find that one thing that can kind of help you get up and get running, maybe help you get some quick cash rolling into your bank accounts. I'm going to show you right here in this video how to use a very simple tool online. In fact, I'm going to go over to my computer and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, and we're going to do it like a total boss. All right, so before we go over my computer though, I'm going to just tell you that living that total boss lifestyle is about you being able to have the freedom to do what you want, being able to have the fun, do the fun things with your family, and not be tied down to some job. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to start online, and you're going to start with some very simple, basic ideas of creating value for other people. And you're going to use some simple tools, and I'm going to show you how to do that right here online. Before we do that though, hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell option. That way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. All right, so let's jump right into it. I'm gonna head over to my computer and we're gonna get right to how to make money quickly, get up and get running, and let's go right now. All right, so here we go. This is how you're going to make quick money. You don't even need a website. You can use YouTube, and we're going to use a tool online to do this. Now, I just wanna show you, if you haven't been online or haven't been on YouTube before, you notice there's all these thumbnails that people have. Okay, a lot of thumbnails are good. Some thumbnails are really, really bad. So, you know, with like here's a thumbnail with Casey made, and then you see all these other ones that are kind of made up. So what happens is when you upload a video to YouTube, YouTube will allow you to create your own thumbnail, and you can upload that thumbnail. But what happens is a lot of people online, businesses, things like that, what they do is they upload videos and they allow YouTube to pick out different shots of the video, and they use one of the screenshots from the video. So they just kind of take a snapshot of the actual video, and then they use that as the thumbnail. All right, so companies don't realize that they could create a very good thumbnail, you know, like this, that'll stand out, and that'll help people click on their thumbnail and you know, click on their video and come to the video. So here's what you do. You don't have to be a graphic designer. You don't have to know any type of graphic skills. But what you're going to be doing is you're going to be reaching out to businesses online who you can see that they're clearly uploading videos that aren't created. You're going to reach out to them and say, I want to create a thumbnail for you. You can do it couple different ways. First way, you could just say, hey, look, I'm going to give you a free sample of what I could do for you. You create one and you upload it, help them upload it for you. And then ultimately what you're going to do is get some business from that. Now you can go straight at them and just say, look, I'll create a thumbnail for you. I'll charge you $25 or $50. Now you're probably thinking, well, I don't know anything about graphics. Don't worry about it. Let me just stay with me here a little bit, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. Let's just go with like a business that's not online. Let's take a offline business. So dentist is going to be a business that people come in to the you know, the place, and they get their teeth cleaned. Okay, so dentists make money, and they don't have time to create anything for their business, but they understand that social media right now is so important, and they understand that if they can get people to see maybe their office or their dental practice, then they can get people into the doors. So like right here, I mean, this one right here, this is a video of inside the dentist. This thumbnail, I don't know if this was created or not. It might not be, but it's not real enticing. I mean, yeah, you see the girl, but you could actually flavor this up. Like this one right here is a very good thumbnail. And then if you scroll, I mean, this one right here is really, really good. But this one right here, I guess this one was created. But like this one, probably not created. This was just uploaded from the screen. Here's another one that was maybe taking a screenshot. This one right here is terrible. Okay, so this one right here, it was just a screenshot taken. There's nothing to it. Okay, there's no enticement to it. I hate shots. Okay, that's a good thumbnail. Like here's another one. This one's just terrible. I don't know what that one was for. But like this one here, this guy, not sure what he's saying, but there's no excitement to that thumbnail. So what are you going to do? You're going to reach out to these businesses on YouTube, or if you wanted to go to local businesses, you could do the same thing. Say, I'll upload some videos for you, but I'll create some thumbnails for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to a website called canva.com, and all you do is you click on create a design, and then all of these design elements come up. So right here, you see YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so what it does is it's going to open this up. And you can see all these designs over here to the left. They're already pre-made for you. All you have to do is just drop in you could just drop in your information. So let's look at dentist, for example. Let's take this image right here. Okay, so what we would do is I'm going to take out the background. I'm going to leave the text. I'm going to go over here to dental office. So let's go to, let's just go dentist office. Let's see if we can find some pictures, images. No. Here's a good, let's see here. So let's take this girl right here. Okay, this girl in the dentist office. I'm going to save this image. Okay, I'm going to put it over here. Save this image here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here to Canva. And you see where it says uploads? I'm going to upload. See where I got my downloads here. Girl smiling dentist office. Okay, so they just upload this picture. Did it go? There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch this out like this. Okay, I'm going to, where'd it go? There it is. Now what I'll do is I'll just change this texture here. So let's just say 10 tips for, let's say 10 tips for, I don't know, 10 tips for whiter teeth for kids at home. All right, let's just say that. So what we'll do is we're going to take this text and we will make it, let's make it black so it stands out. Okay, so 10 tips like this. Boom. Okay, so 10 tips. Okay, so this right here is a better looking thumbnail on YouTube. So if somebody sees this YouTube, it's going to be a better looking thumb. So all you do is you click on download, you click on download here, and it's preparing it. And then you save it to your computer. And that's all you have to do. So here's what you would do is you could go to a local dentist. You could go to any business where you're at. It doesn't have to be a dentist. Just keep your minds creative. Get your minds going. Get creative with what you're doing. Go to find businesses and say, look, I see your YouTube channel. Or maybe you don't even have a YouTube channel yet. Let's make some YouTube videos for you. And then let me create some graphics for you. Now, nobody knows that you're coming over here to Canva and it's taking you 2 seconds to create this thumbnail. But businesses that don't have time, like dentist office, they don't have time, or chiropractor offices, or business like lawyer's office, they don't have time, but they got the money and they will spend for anybody to come in and help them out. So you could come in, you could charge $100 to make a thumbnail or create a video and upload it for them. You could charge to create a YouTube channel if you want for them. But for right now, you could just create some thumbnails. And what I would recommend you doing is you find businesses online that don't know how to use a thumbnail. Like this right here, they don't know how to use a thumbnail. Okay, so you could reach out to this channel right here. So you come to this channel right here, and it's clearly they have a dental office here. So let's do this. So you would go to the Lion Dental, or is it Livinal Dental Group, okay? And you would click on About, and you would see his links right here. So we'd have to go to their website. So you'd have to go to their website and reach out to them. But you could reach out to them and say, look, here's a video that I see. You have no thumbnail. Create a similar thumbnail like we did at Canva, okay? And then just create like do a screenshot of this. Say, look, I just created this video for your business. We could upload this to your YouTube channel and it would enhance your YouTube video. And they would go, great, fantastic. Send me $25 to my PayPal account, or you could set up a PayPal buy now button where they could go and buy it with their credit card. Boom, that money's put in your credit card. You send them this thumbnail file. They're happy. You're happy. Life is good. So that is, I mean, that's the easiest way to get up and get running. Businesses like this. Just remember, you know, you're online and you know how to do these things, but there's businesses out there that have the money, but they don't have the time, and they really don't even have the patience to do this. So it's easy for you to come in and create something to do that. And what did you do? You use free tools online with YouTube, and you used a program called Canva, Canva.com. This is going to help you get money to you right now, right today. All right. So all you got to do now is just take action, go out there, find some businesses, create some thumbnails for their channel, and you're going to be good to go. All right. So there you go. That's all you have to do. Just use these tools, go out there and find companies that need your help, offer your services to them, get paid for it, and now you're making money. You can do this quickly. You can do this week. You can do it today. In fact, you don't even have to wait. You can do it right now. Okay. So if you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.